Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to open a map file in WMEdit and how to edit the value of some of the die to give them a new bin code. I'll start by selecting the file to open. I have to make sure I select the correct file type. In this case it's E142, and then I select the file. Let's zoom in a little so that we can see the die a little easier. The green ones are our pass, as you can see here, and the red ones are the fail, and the gray ones are null. The colors are set over here. I've assigned colors by quality. You can see pass is set to green, fail to red, and null to gray. Let's say I do a visual inspection after probing and I find some die along the edge here that are visually ugly that I do not want to pick. So how am I going to change these good die to ugly die so that I don't pick them? I'm first going to start by adding a new bin code, and I can give it any number I want that's within the type associated with the bin code. So I'm going to add a new bin. I'm going to give it the value 40. Then I'm going to set the quality to an edge die. Then over here I want to set the edge die to blue, so that each time I change a die from good, which is green, to edge, it'll turn out to be blue. What I need to do is to select a die, and I select by clicking on it, and I come to selected devices section, and I click here where it says the bin code, and I'm going to make it now 40. And if I click a different area, so I'm no longer highlighting this die, I see that it's turned blue. Now what if I want to select multiple die? What if I want to select from here down to here all to be edge die? Well, I select the first die, then I hold a shift key down, and once I've got the row, I can come over here and go to bin and set it to 40. You can see they're all 40. I can also do a square region. Let's say I select from here and I put the other end here with the shift key down. Now I've highlighted all of those, and I can come here and pick 40 again, and they're all good. Or I can select different die by going from here to here, here, and here with the control key held down, which adds to my selection each time I click on a new device. Again, I come here to the selected device, I set the bin to 40, and I see these are all now blue, which means they're all edge devices. If I come over here, I start it with 0 edge devices, and now I have 35 edge devices. Also, my count for the pass guys started at 250, and now it's 215 because I have changed 35 of them from pass to edge. Once I'm done editing my file and I've changed everything I want to change, then I will go to File and I'll say Save As. I might give it a new name, Visually Inspected, and save it. And so this is my new file, Visually Inspected, and it includes now the edge die where there were none before. Thank you very much.